It is time.
just a fear of trying. Answer higher Milan. He lives in me. He lives in me. He watches over everything we see.
Did you like that? Did you like Simba? Did you like it? Was it good?
Well, as you've seen, that was Rhythm of the Prime Lands.
Yeah.
Very, very good.
Did you like it?
Oh, I love it. I have to watch it every single time.
Top dollar.
Top dollar, top dollar.
Very, very good.
I can't put it on par with
Festival.
Festival.
I think it was just as good. It just hasn't.
Different.
Hold on, we're being shooed out. We'll catch up.
How is it, Dan? Very good. What have you got?
Tomato pasta, and
Very nice.
we got a pepperoni pizza.
Oh,
Pepperoni Mickey pizza.
we too have gone with a pepperoni Mickey pizza. And we're doing get some garlic bread and a cold drink. 17 euros. How's the garlic bread?
Nice.
Good.
Very Frenchy.
Handy. And how's your lunch?
Raspberry and blueberry porridge.
Is it good?
Yeah. Is it good? Yeah.
So, we finished eating. Pizza was very good, wasn't it?
Yes.
Enjoyed it? Yeah. Definitely happy to have that again if we need a snack. We're going to head back out the park in a minute and go check into the hotel, have a short break, and then we're going to come back later on because Disneyland Park's open until 11. So, but I think we're going to start in the studios, maybe have a little look about, get the lay of the land, and then come back. I think it's safe to try and get the fireworks and drone show in tonight, because then what if it was bad weather tomorrow? We cannot risk that. Well, here comes Dan from Nappy Duties.
He's back.
Yeah, we'll catch up in a bit. So we're on our way to the cabins. Oh look, they've decided to walk it. Are you regretting your decision, people?
They're British.
I think you are. Oh, I ain't paying for an Uber. Can't believe there's no buses. We'll walk it. 10 mistake.
I bet they thought
They left just after park opening.
I bet they thought it was a lot closer.
Backwards roundabout.
Are we Village Nature?
No, Ranch
Yeah,
Davy.
this one. Ooh, that was weird, wasn't it? Nah.
Davy Crockett. Loves potato barrels.
This is a lovely ride.
Is it?
Oh,
Go on, Mickey.
beautiful. Oh, there's reception.
Oh yeah, security guard, look. Excuse me, sir, do you have a reservation?
You just need to
Good.
with them to talk French to me, and I'm like,
You bring it on yourself.
my basic French isn't getting this.
Can I look in your car? Yep. Do you speak French? No? Okay. Go.
So if you want to smuggle anything in here, just say you don't speak French. And they let you
saw
go.
the baby in the boot and thought,
That's where you're staying, Liam.
That's where I'm staying here.
we left Liam to put the accommodation, and we are staying in a luxury tent.
Teepee.
No,
Teepee.
we have to
It
bring
looks
our
like it
own
might
tent.
leak.
It was just a pitch.
Oh. I mean,
Imagine that.
No.
we wouldn't have all been coming in one car. We'd have to bring two.
Yeah, that looks a little bit leaky, that one, doesn't it?
Davy Crockett.
You got yourself?
That's how it goes, isn't it?
Once we're all freshened up, selfie in front of that side.
Oh yeah.
We're not looking at Tingle Lane, so we're going to come back to it.
I don't know. Photographers in the wild. Oh, a wild pigeon.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, there's reception. I thought, where's reception?
So, as you know, we're staying at Davy Crockett Cabins. Welcome to our cabin. We're in this one, 1307, and Dan and Hannah are next door. Obviously parking out the front, barbecue. I don't actually know what's in here. It was open when we got here. Stuff is in there. We've got a picnic bench, and then in we go. Oh, patio doors. Didn't notice those. We have a Liam. So step in and straight into like kitchen area, dishwasher, cooker, microwave, kettle, toaster, coffee maker. We've got a dining table, telly, mirror. Got the sofa with a Liam.
It's very comfy.
Is it? Got the master bedroom. Quite a small space once you got the bed in, but double bed. Another mirror, cupboard, and it is ensuite. So, hello again. Disney toiletries, winning. Towels and beddings all included. Shower. And back through, obviously fridge freezer. And here we've got a single toilet and a fuse box. Coat hooks. And another sink and shower, and more Disney toiletries. And then in here, 3 single beds. There's a cot in here. I don't know if that's normally in here or just because we've requested a cot next door, and they've put one in here as well. But there's also another bed under there, so it would essentially sleep 4 people in here. And then obviously 2 in the master bedroom. Yeah, they're alright, aren't they?
Yeah.
And for the price, it's a bargain really. It's cheaper for us to stay in here and have 2 cabins than it was to stay in any of the Disney hotels, wasn't it? Obviously this is a Disney hotel, but yeah. So
And literally, you just come out of
yeah, it's one road. You just straight up that road and you're here.
straight up the road. Yeah, as soon as you come out of
Out of Disneyland parking, it was over one roundabout and straight up.
yeah.
So yeah. So we're gonna shower, freshen up, and then head back into the parks.
Yeah, because we're doing the studios.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the studios for a couple of hours before heading back into Disneyland Park. So yeah.
We can finish off explaining about
Lion King.
Lion King.
No. Let me sit down.
We'll have a little kip.
So, what did you think of the Lion King?
I really enjoyed it.
I did.
Different.
Yeah. I'd say it's a similar level of Festival of the Lion King. I couldn't say it was better, but I wouldn't have said it was really.
2 different shows.
Yeah, very different show. Different music as well, which was nice. It wasn't all the same songs.
No.
Timon and Pumbaa were brilliant. They were hilarious.
Yeah, and they're not as characters, are they?
No.
Like Walt Disney World.
No, it's all more sort of in keeping with the stage show, I assume.
Yeah, West End here.
Yeah, no, I really enjoyed it.
Obviously, we've recorded some.
and by some it means all. So you'll have seen clips. I'll probably put the whole thing up as well.
Well, I did the whole thing, so if not, I'll make for nothing.
I did offer to take the camera from you.
Yeah, but you do photos.
I was. So yeah, right. I'm gonna have to sign off because I need to charge my phone because my battery has been drained today, and we've only got an hour.
Yep. Oh look, there's a bird here. I don't know what it is.
You said it's a bird. Oh yeah.
I don't know what it is though. A brown herring.
Don't know what it is. If you know what kind of bird that is, drop us a comment.
I bet they're like, just bloody Google it.
It's just a French pigeon.
So we're back in the park. Oh dear. Got that on handy camera. We're going into Walt Disney Studios for a couple of hours for the fireworks before we head over to the Disneyland Park. So the studio's closed for refurbishment and stuff. Love this fountain. So we're going to the Avengers campus now. We've not been here before.
We have not.
So this is all new.
It's right there. It starts sooner than I expected.
I think they started doing like little bits, wasn't it, when we were here ages ago?
Things have started closing.
Yeah. Because this is where the
stormtroopers
stormtroopers and stuff went, wasn't it? Spider-Bot's 20 minutes.
Yeah, we said, should we do,
Right, boys.
sorry, well, maybe 5 hours.
Yeah.
Then we go.
See where he's at.
Stop soon.
Yeah, this bit wasn't here. Yes. This bit wasn't because this was like boarded up, wasn't it? Because it was where the stormtroopers and the cavalry thing came through. Because we went into Stark Factory. But yeah, it's this one. I've not seen this little bit.
C'est mieux. Allez, on avance. Occupez toutes les places disponibles. On n'a plus beaucoup de temps. Analyse des panneaux escamotables.
Retractable panels analyzed.
Recalibrage des sous-systèmes.
Subsystems recalibrated.
Maintenant, balance la sauce dans des répulseurs.
Repulsors augmented. Consider your hands juiced.
Ça m'a l'air parfait, Friday.
Thank you. So glad you approve.
Ready?
Si je suis prêt, c'est à moi ou à vous de vous parler.
We've got a situation. As you know, Kree warheads are headed our way, and we need your help.
Ne vous inquiétez pas, j'ai créé un plan.
I'm back and not ashamed to try.
Rock and roll Avengers.
That must be BMX in Mad Hatters. Hello, darling. Shall we go sleep room? Shall we shoot some shoot?
I got a web swinger. Oh yeah.
Bonjour.
We're gonna web slinger.
Never been on this before, obviously. So we've never been to an Avengers campus before.
No.
How's it done, Hannah?
I got bruises and little red marks on my wrist from my bracelets last time we did this.
Oh no.
That is intense. That's got a handicap.
De la Web Engineering Brigade. Et voici notre chef de projet, Peter Parker.
Comment ça va? Je suis Peter Parker. Ici chez Web, on a accès à une super technologie, comme le vibranium du Wakanda ou ce fluide extraterrestre dément. On a les particules de Pym et StarTech. Ça nous permet de développer des trucs incroyables, comme
They'll help you find all the graphic spider.
Semi-decent, okay?
We've often stood near tomorrow. We're discovering that.
Is that going to work with the drones?
Should do, because we've always wanted the drones from there before. But like, it's still sort of front on, but there's a bit more space.
It's fine,
And also it's quite easy to get out, just go straight down.
bit more space, I see what you did there.
Yeah.
Works for me.
So we have just eaten the most messiest, cleanest trays ever. Hannah's enjoying her drink that tastes like a Kirpo. She was telling us all that this orange juice tastes like a Kirpo. I think she's gone a little bit crazy. I just think it's Fanta. But hey ho, each to their own. Hey Hannah. But yeah, it was alright, wasn't it? Not like America's Casey's.
No, it's still nice though.
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, nice. What rate it?
Rate it.
You had a classic hot dog, rate it out of 10.
I'll still give it an 8. It was a nice roll, it was good sausage.
You had a nacho cheese one.
Nacho cheese, I'm giving 6, purely because they definitely forgot the nacho cheese.
Yeah, it was pretty decent to be fair. I'd probably go with a 7.
Mine was,
filling on top.
Mine was a 5. 5 for me.
Why?
We got the nacho cheese, not enough filling, and the sausages seemed small.
But we didn't have nacho cheese.
It was nacho cheese in house.
Cheddar cheese.
Oh, well, that's where I messed up then. That's probably why I didn't have any.
Did it have any
You ordered me the wrong one.
No, I ordered the one you asked for.
No, I didn't.
Because I pointed to it on the menu.
Top right, cheese sauce. So yeah, we've done that and we're
I can't believe mine didn't have cheese on.
we didn't order one with
bacon
cheese or bacon bits.
Oh. My classic hot dog with ketchup and mustard. It didn't come with all the other stuff.
We should have ordered this one with all the other stuff.
Fries were good, but needed salt.
Yeah, they tasted like Burger King fries in the UK. What nuggets? You said that they tasted like.
They were very nice. It tasted like McDonald's nuggets. Very good.
Philippines.
Not covered.
That's the Fanta. That's the Fanta. All right, stop being awkward now, Mitch, and we'll.
See you in a moment.
Chers amis, venez aujourd'hui. Disneyland de Paris est fier de vous présenter
So that's it for today.
Day one done.
Day one done.
Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Next one will be out in about 6 months. Gotcha!
Still at it. So been Big Thunder, had hot dogs, seen fireworks, seen the drone show. Some of the drones weren't working, and then we've just had photos in front of the castle while the whole crowd went, and now we're heading back to the cabin to rest for another day tomorrow. So we will love you and leave you, and it's more food, fun, and facts. I don't know if I said facts. Tomorrow. Bye.